guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix body cam game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, stuttering, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So what you need to do is to first you have to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, you just have to go below and here you will find all the requirements that is required to play the game on your PC. So you must ensure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to restart your PC once. So for that click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC once your system restarts. Now try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, select your game under library. Now here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and check if the game is launching or not. If it doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -tx12 and then try to play the game and see if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, you can add it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, next solution is to verify game integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after the game files is verified, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search RMLH for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. For that go to the search option, search for settings. After that here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and once done launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality or resolution or other things, then it directly impacts the game and you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing it. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that you have to go to the search option. Now search for task manager. Under background process tab you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on enter. So this will completely close the background apps that is running and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded you have to open it, click on it. It will here you will get repair or install option, click on it and wait for some time. After it is finished you have to close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again launch Steam and click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the search option, search for settings. After that here you have to search for graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that click on add a desktop app. After that you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application. After adding the game over here, you have to click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. Once you have done this, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just you have to click on the Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and then check if enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed, select custom size. In the initial size type 12288 and the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After the game is removed, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again you have to launch Steam, and after that reinstall Bodycam game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these suggested solutions, you can easily resolve a Bodycam game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.